Virtual reality, or VR, is a groundbreaking technology that creates immersive environments through computer hardware and software. Users experience 3D environments that respond to their actions, making them feel as if they are part of a different world. This technology is rapidly evolving and finding applications across various sectors. The VR market is expanding at an impressive rate. According to Statista, the global VR market size is projected to grow from less than $12 billion in 2022 to over $22 billion by 2025. This rapid growth highlights the increasing adoption and potential of VR technology in various industries. VR has numerous consumer-facing applications. It is widely used in gaming to create engaging experiences. Media and entertainment companies leverage VR to produce more immersive content. Marketers use VR to craft captivating advertisements, and businesses allow customers to virtually experience their products, enhancing the overall consumer experience. In the business realm, VR is transforming operations. VR-based modules are used for employee training in demanding jobs, such as healthcare, where AI VR simulators train doctors. It enhances the prototype process for complex products and improves workplace design and manufacturing. VR collaboration tools also facilitate better remote team management. VR applications span various fields. For instance, VR training revolutionizes education by allowing students to explore complex objects in anatomy classes. Businesses use VR to engage customers and make products more appealing. In real estate, VR enables virtual tours of properties. Additionally, VR allows users to virtually visit any country, museum, or park. Top companies use VR to engage and motivate consumers. VR offers numerous advantages, such as positioning businesses at the forefront of technology. The try-before-you-buy concept is gaining popularity, with companies like Volvo and Lacoste offering virtual test drives and shoe fittings. High-quality VR content enhances product presentations and creates emotionally appealing experiences. Developing VR applications can be challenging, but several robust tools make the process easier. Unity is renowned for its game development capabilities and supports VR solutions across various industries. Amazon Sumerian, the AWS VR engine, requires no 3D graphics or VR programming knowledge and is compatible with popular VR platforms. Google VR offers tools for creating VR experiences on multiple platforms, including Unity, Unreal, Android, iOS, and the web. Unreal Engine 4 provides powerful VR development tools and supports a wide range of VR platforms. CryEngine is popular among 3D game developers and offers excellent visuals and real-time interaction. Blender, a free open-source 3D design suite, allows for the creation of VR video games. 3 deciseconds max by Autodesk is used for creating high-quality 3D models and animations. SketchUp Studio focuses on the construction and architecture industries and supports VR app development. Maya, another Autodesk tool, offers dynamic effects and 3D animation capabilities. Lastly, Oculus Medium provides powerful tools for developing 3D assets on the Oculus VR platform. Virtual reality is a transformative technology with a rapidly growing market. Its applications span various sectors, offering immersive experiences and operational efficiencies. With the right tools, businesses can harness the power of VR to stay ahead in the competitive landscape.